I should study, I should focus. How is Iba doing right now? Okay, let me check on her. Hello. Hello Iba. How are you? Yes, everything is going well. So, how is life? What are you doing right now? You're working. You passed the exam. I'm happy for you, yeah, Iba. Can you help me out? Can you give me some tips? So, as you know, I've also been preparing with you, but then I don't seem to be disciplined. But whereas you are very disciplined and you are very consistent also. What is the secret? An app? Really? For us? Okay. Okay, Iba, I'll look into that, okay? Okay, thank you, Iba, bye. For us, ma? Okay, okay. So this is the app. What do I have to do? So, just have to set a timer and then I have to click on the plan button. Okay. Okay, this means I have to study. Okay. YouTube. Is YouTube distracting you? Okay. Let me return back to Forest. Okay, yes, the app is right. I have to study. I can't get distracted right now. The result came out. Yes, the Meghalaya books, I think they have. Let me check if the result has come out. Is Chrome distracting you? Your tree is still growing. Please return to Forest to continue your focus journey. Okay? Yes, I have to finish my target first. Okay, let me study. First time I've been able to study for such a long time. Thank you, Iba. Thank you for us up. I think this will greatly contribute to my preparation. So now I'll show you how to use the Forest app to stay focused and beat food distractions. Okay, so this is the app. If you open, so when you open the app, you will see a tree in the middle, okay, and on the side in this circle format you have the timer, so you have to move this in order to set the time. Okay, for example, if I set here 25 minutes, then now what I have to do, I have to click on the plant button. See now now I'm planting the tree, and as I'm planting, the more that I plant, the more that I focus, the more my tree in the middle will grow. Okay, now it is just a sapling, but over time it will grow into a tree. Okay, one more thing, see, now I've planted, I have to study, and if I want to use any other app, for example, if I want to use YouTube, see what will happen. Is YouTube distracting you? The tree is growing. Please return to forest immediately to continue. Okay, so like that it will keep you from any distracting app. So this is how you use the forest app. Over time you can also track how much you have studied for the month, for the year, for the day, whatever it is. You just have to click here on this tab, on this three line here, and then you have to go to the forest. Since I have not focused today, this is a new app. If I would have focused, my progress would have been shown here. Okay, my weekly, monthly, my yearly focus, okay, everything would be shown here. So this is how you use forest. Also, the more you grow tree, the more you will gain coins, and if you have enough coins, then you can buy different modifications for your trees. You can buy different trees also. Okay, so all these trees you can buy with the coins. Okay, you can unlock with your coins, but that coins you cannot buy, you have to focus. So this is something about the forest app. I think all of us, we can make use of this, and I'm hopeful that it will be of value to your preparation, and I'm hopeful that it will keep you away from your phone distraction. So that is it from our side. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.